Heymondo is a popular service for travelers looking to purchase reliable travel insurance online. Let's explore how to use it effectively. The first thing you'll notice is the clean layout of the Heymondo website, designed to make your insurance search easy and efficient. On the homepage, you'll find an option to get a free quote by entering basic trip information such as destination, dates, and the number of travelers. Once you submit your details, Heymondo provides a list of policies tailored to your trip needs. One of the main advantages of Heymondo is its user-friendly interface, which allows you to easily compare different coverage plans. You will find options for single trips, annual plans, and specialized coverage such as adventure sports or family trips. This is a great feature if you're not sure what type of insurance fits your travel plans. The service also offers a mobile app, which makes it easy to manage your insurance on the go. Pricing is competitive, and the platform breaks down what's included in each policy, allowing you to make a clear decision based on your budget and needs. For instance, they offer medical coverage, trip cancellation protection, and baggage insurance. However, one downside is that some policies may not cover certain high-risk activities, so be sure to review the terms carefully. Now, I'd like to recommend a service that I personally trust, Ekta Traveling, a reliable travel partner that provides great coverage options. If you're interested, check the link in the description below to get started with Ekta Traveling, which I find to be one of the top options for travel insurance. Once you've chosen your plan on Heymondo, the process to complete your purchase is straightforward. Simply fill in your personal information and payment details. In just a few clicks, you'll receive your policy documents directly to your email, and you're covered. This makes it incredibly convenient for last-minute travelers or those who prefer handling everything online. To sum it up, Heymondo is a fantastic option for securing travel insurance quickly and easily. It offers comprehensive coverage at affordable prices, and its comparison tools ensure that you'll find the best plan for your trip. Remember to check out Ekta Traveling for even more travel insurance options via the link in the description. If you found this guide helpful, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more travel tips.